I'm kneeling on my bed, FYI, so the fact that I can do this is testament to the corset.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Hello lovely people of the internet, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today is an unboxing. I received a lovely gift from Olga, let me get this right. It is Olga Novokatzka, I hope I said that correctly, of Noa Corsets. She contacted me and asked me if I would like a corset made to my measurements sent to me. So it has arrived. I'm super excited about this because I saw that she had what looked like sort of minimalist corsets, or she calls them underwear corsets, that look very minimal under clothing, because I love my corsets and I have quite a collection, but they are very visible. The ones that I have are a very heavy structure with like steel boning, thick material, and you can really see them under dresses, which sometimes I don't mind, but I would like to have the option of wearing a corset and not being able to see it under my clothing, or at least minimally see it. So let's see if this fits the bill. First of all, I've got to say I love the packaging. How pretty is that? Let's see if you guys can see the logo up close. It's a little girly in a corset, very cute, and it has a little drawer like so. Ooh, the packaging is very pretty. Look at this. Let's see if I can open it for you guys like so. It has a explanation on how to look after your corset. So important. It is not as straightforward as you think, guys. Like, you need to care for the corset properly, you need to break it in, you need to know how to lace it up properly. So yes, definitely do your research and go with a brand who knows what they're talking about as well and makes good quality corsets. You'll be so much more comfortable. So it says how to wear a corset correctly, basic recommendations, how to move correctly in a corset, and how to care for your corset. So this is fantastic, and it even has cleaning and washing instructions. Love. Now we also have a little baggie here. I don't know what's in the baggie. The baggie. Who am I? Oh, cute. Oh, it's like a little tie with her branding on it. That's really cute. Oh, I like that. Could do like around the neck or around the corset itself, like a little sash. That is very sweet. Hair. And last but not least, the corset. I'm going to take it out like so, because why ruin lovely packaging when I could store it in here? Oh, it's a fabulous nude color. Instead of being a pinky nude, it's like a gold nude. I really like that. Much closer to my skin shade. So here you can see it is like a nylon material. And here's the back, and it's got ribboning, which will be much more easily hidden under the clothing than a lot of the very thick, more kind of ropey lacing at the back. So very pretty. So I'm gonna try this on. Let's see how it fits and how it looks. Okay, so here she is on. I love the color of it and everything. It is very comfortable. It's very easy to lace up at the back. It has a really big modesty panel, first of all. I'll try and show you guys. I'm lacing up on my own, so it's a little tricky to do, but you can see the modesty panel is in there. It is big enough. So many brands that I have tried. I love the corsets, I love the shape and everything, but the modesty panel doesn't actually come across enough for you to lace up and get it in there and then smooth it out afterwards. It just gets all caught up in the laces because it's too short to work with, if that makes sense. Or you need someone to help you with it. This is easy to put on by myself. I love the shape that it gives as well. Like for this part here, it is so 50s. I love it. It's a very natural line here, but it has made my waist look very tiny this way. And for those of you who haven't worn a corset before, like the width that was here is now this way and up and down. It hasn't actually like squished my organs or anything. It just redistributes. I have a little bit of spillage here, but it's easy for me to cover with my bra. And the fit over my hips is lovely because I am quite a round-hipped girl and I don't sort of go like this like a lot of girls do. I'm very hourglass shaped, and a lot of corsets just make my stomach protrude so much underneath at the front and my hips at the side underneath, like here and here, but this comes right down and covers the belly so it doesn't kind of spill out and look really ugly. So I am a fan so far. Now I want to see what it looks like under a dress. I will also say the ribbons meant that lacing up was very easy on my own because the ribbon is slippery, you know? I'm a little out of breath, not because it's tight, but because I was trying to lace up on my own. It is always a workout getting a corset on by yourself, guys. Okay, I have chosen the Pretty Dress dress because you guys have seen this one before, so the laces I think being ribbon are gonna hide really well, so I'm gonna do this up and come back. All right, so it definitely makes my waist tiny. Love this silhouette, and here is very Dior 1947, early 50s shape. I love that. I'm gonna turn the side on for you guys. What I usually get with my other corsets is it pulls me in here and it looks great, and then boop, my stomach does that because everything's been pushed down. But because this is like a stretchy mesh, it has, and it comes right to here, the bottom of the corset is there. It actually makes the line of my stomach look really lovely. The ribbons are actually here, but you cannot see them. I hope you guys can tell, but you can hardly see the corset. All you can see is a couple of lines here if you look closely, but it's practically invisible, and that is exactly what I was hoping for. I am so impressed. So thank you, Olga. Love. I'm gonna try, and it is actually really hard to sit on your haunches. I've got like my knees bent and it is not the corset, it is the wiggle dress that is hard to sit in. Whew. But yes, thank you, Olga of Noa Corsets. This is exactly what I was hoping for. She made the corset to my current measurement of 28 centimeter waist, 28 centimeter, I wish, 28 inch waist. I used to be a 26, which is what my other corsets are, and I have not laced this up all the way because it's my first time trying it and I haven't broken it in. So as you saw before when I turned around, I've still got a good, decent gap like this. But you can see even like that, it gives a beautiful shape. You don't need to lace up really tight. It's not about having a tiny waist to create the silhouette. It's the silhouette itself that gives the illusion of a very tiny waist. You don't really need to actually change the circumference much to have an impact. But obviously once I've broken this in and I've been wearing it for a while and I tighten it, I could make this smaller if I wanted to. So yeah, that's the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Little unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. You can always comment, subscribe, like this video if you want to support my channel. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. I am at Miss B Townsend everywhere. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!